Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is just a quick update on this Quansheng radio. It's the model UV-R50, and I got the software installed. I hooked up the radio to the USB port. I was able to download, there was only 2 channels programmed. I was able to download that. I put in one channel, which was for NOAA weather, and I uploaded it to the radio, and it worked. I could hear NOAA radio. But now I need your help. Maybe especially Robert Young, who seems to have one of these and has used them, is that the disc, which is still in the computer, that came with it is from Bofang, and a lot of it's Chinese, and I couldn't find anything related to this radio. So, unless I overlooked something, that's useless. I went to their website, which is in Chinese, and I couldn't find any manual. So I have no manual for this radio. Now, I did quickly look through the menus on this manual, and they look very similar to the Bofang menu items. So maybe I can just use the Bofang UV-R50 manual, which is what was on this disc. Is a whole bunch of Bofang manuals. Unfortunately, they were compressed instead of a zip file, a RAR file, which on this computer right now I don't have a program to unzip a RAR file. I can get one real quick, but I'm kind of at a standstill as far as a manual. I will go dig out my Bofang manual and see if it's applicable. I think it is applicable to this. As Robert mentioned, the software that came, well, it didn't come with it, you had to download it, for this radio doesn't have any way to modify the radio's options, whether, the scan level, stuff like that. It only lets you program the frequencies. That's all it does. So that's kind of a kick in the head. Anyway, that's it. If you could respond to me, send me an email with the manual for this if you have it, or just tell me use the Bofang manual for this. They're the same. I can do that. I would appreciate it. You can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.